Fuwamoco noises this year.
Yeah, every day.
I think we can safely say that raw fans will be in for a lot of Fuwamoco noises this year. Especially in the beginning of the year, right? We weren't recording more noises the other day, were we, Moko-chan? No. Just saying. I feel like all the voice pads every time I go to record one, there's like, oh, Mococo sneezes here. I cannot sneeze on command. Hi. I can't do that. Yeah, you want them to be authentic. Yes, I'm not going to be it's not a sneeze. No. A recreation of what a sneeze could be like. Yeah. You only want true sneezes? Yeah. See, I'm sure I have it recorded somewhere, but I can't find it.